The world is changing fast. As we hurtle into this new era, we must ask ourselves, what standards will guide us? The future is not preordained. We, as a global society, have the power to shape it. This means setting new standards, ethical and practical, for the challenges and opportunities ahead. These standards won't appear overnight. They will emerge from dialogue, debate and consensus building on a global scale. Think of the Paris Agreement on climate change. Nations came together, acknowledging a shared threat and committing to collective action. This is how we build the future, through cooperation and shared responsibility. Consider the development of self-driving cars. It's not just about engineering. We're establishing new ethical rules of the road. Who is responsible in an accident? How do we prioritize passenger and pedestrian safety? These aren't just technical questions, they are moral dilemmas we must address as a society. Or look at artificial intelligence. As AI systems become more sophisticated, we must ensure they are developed and used responsibly. Bias in algorithms, data privacy concerns, these are not abstract problems but real-world consequences of powerful technologies. We need clear guidelines and regulations to ensure AI benefits humanity, not harms it. Few fields embody this potential more than stem cell research. Stem cells are the building blocks of life, holding the potential to repair damaged tissues and treat debilitating diseases. Imagine a world without Parkinson's, Alzheimer's or spinal cord injuries. This is the promise of stem cell therapy, yet this research is not without its ethical considerations. Navigating the use of embryonic stem cells requires careful deliberation and strong ethical framework. Thankfully, advancements in inducing adult cells to behave like stem cells, called induced pluripotent stem cells, offer promising alternatives that sidestep ethical concerns. The future hinges on our collective judgment, how we choose to regulate these powerful technologies, how we prioritize funding for research, how we educate future generations about these complex issues. These decisions will determine the course of our future. It's a future we must actively shape, not passively observe. This is not a task for scientists or policymakers alone. It requires all of us to engage in informed discussions, challenge our own assumptions, and embrace the unknown with courage and curiosity. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create together.